Hi YouTube, what's going on? So in this short video, we are going to be looking at an opportunity where you can earn some money from online without any investment. All right. Now, what I need to know is, gone are the days when people earn money from online by investing money. Okay. Now we are looking at opportunities where you can put in some work, you can put in some small effort and earn some money from online without investing any money. Right. Now, in one of those opportunities is an application or a website, as you can call it, where you can earn some money by putting in some small work on daily basis, and you earn as much as $5 every single day. If you do the maths, if you earn $5 every single day from this application, like most people are currently earning, you're gonna make as much as 150 per month. Now, if this is not small as a side hustle, I need to watch this video to the very end. All right.
So guys, on this channel we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online. Okay, we share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle. All right, we equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry. Okay, now just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos. All right, these videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online. Okay, and just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox.
Okay, so in this part of the video, I'm going to introduce this website to you. Okay, now it's very important that you guys know that this may be it may be suitable for students because they do this at their free times, and then it can also be suitable for people who are doing these 9 to 5 jobs. Okay, where you are probably free at night time and you can just use your free time to earn some money out there. Okay, all right. So now I need to know that this opportunity is all about what? Posting images. Okay, all about. Now I need to know that many companies out there are ready to buy images. They are ready to invest thousands of dollars to buy images from different parts of the world. This is because they cannot go to these areas to take these photos. So one website or one application called the Shutterstock made it easy for everybody. All right, they created a platform where you can upload any image from any part of the world and you sell it on the website. Okay, selling it on the website don't simply mean you are really selling it to the buyers. Okay, you're actually uploading these images and these buyers subscribe on the Shutterstock in order to view these images. Now for every single image they view, which is yours, you're gonna earn some money. Now the average amount people earn from this application is as much as $5 per day, as I see most people. And I'm a primary example on this application because I've been earning from it. Okay, so you just need to take some good photos, upload on this application, and then let the Shutterstock do their work, and people are going to watch these videos or photos and you get some money. Okay, so let me just show you how it's done. Basically, you can do whatever it takes to access the website, which involves searching the Shutterstock on Google Play Store or going over to shutterstock.com.contributor. Okay, and in my case, as I'm recording on this video, I'm going to, as you can see clearly on my screen, I'm going to use the Google search. Okay, you can just go over to Google search and search for the Shutterstock. Okay, you can also write Shutterstock. Probably you can write Shutterstock for contributors. Okay, because we are looking at how to make money from it. If you go over to shutterstock.com only, you can access this website as a buyer. Okay, as a buyer and not a seller. Okay, you can access the website as a viewer. We want to access the website as a contributor. This simply means we want to upload our images and earn some money. And of course, that is the target of our video. Okay, so what we're going to do at this point is just to search on Shutterstock contributors, and it's going to take you to a website that looks like this. Okay, it is submit.shutterstock.com. All right, so you have to go over to it. So when you click on it, you have several options right here, which if you are accessing the website for the first time, you can sign up automatically with your Google account, as well as you can also enter the password manually, but it's unclear who does that at this time. Okay, so you can enter every single detail and create an account, and you're going to have an account that looks like this. Okay, now everything on the website is self-explanatory. Now if you have uploaded some videos and these videos are having some copyright issues, you're going to see this same notification that I have right here. So if you upload videos that are not yours, that are not originally yours, they're gonna flag it and they will not approve it for monetization, or they will not approve it for you to earn money from it. Okay. Now there are lots of options right here. Like if you click on the top right, on type of three lines on top right corner, you're gonna find different options like the earnings, how much you've earned so far. You're gonna find options like the portfolio, where you can see the contents you submitted. You can also click and see the insights to see how you're performing on the contributor platform as compared to other people. Okay. And then you also have lots of self-explanatory options right here, where you can start uploading. Okay, today as a result right there, and then you post on the platform, and then you're gonna list it. You make some money from it, right? That is how it is. You can see these are other people who uploaded images, and you can see this, they are doing absolutely well, right? So that is all you have to do. Go over to Shutterstock, sign up, and upload images. And you need to know one thing, okay? When you upload these images, it's going to go through a very crucial application process. This simply means it's going to go through their reviewing team. After they've reviewed the contents that you've uploaded, they'll review it manually and make sure that there's no copyright. Okay, so if they review it and see that these are original contents that you've uploaded and there are no contacts on the images, they're gonna approve it. Okay, and once they approve it, it's gonna be listed on their platform, and anybody who views these images, who have subscribed to their service, is gonna give you some money. Okay, and for every single image you can accumulate as much as $0.1, right? And for a single day, there are thousands of people on this platform who view these images. Just imagine you have maybe some 500 to over 600 people view your images. You're gonna make a whole lot of money from it. Okay, so the average you can earn right here, as most people have been earning, is like $5. Okay, $5 per day. Now $5 per day is not small. I need to look at this opportunity and start making money from it. Okay, all right, so that is all for today, and bye bye for now.